System reboot. Initiating day 1.
There are thousands of Python tutorials on YouTube, and most of them won't actually make you good at coding. Let us take an example. You open a tutorial, you decide to start coding, but after some time, you leave disappointed because the content feels straight out of a textbook, dry, confusing, and nowhere near the real basics. This channel exists because I don't want to be over dependent on AI or follow blind tutorials. I want a real way to learn, to think clearly, code confidently, and become dangerously good at thinking and coding. Hey, I'm Anish. I'm a B.Tech computer science student. I've been seriously learning Python since my second year, not by memorizing syntax, but by building, breaking, and understanding fundamentals deeply. Today, learning code is easy. Thinking like an engineer is not. AI tools are powerful, but when used carelessly, they slowly destroy your problem solving ability. I don't want that. And if you're here, you probably don't either. This channel is my Python journey in public. Here, you'll see fundamentals explained clearly, real debugging, and projects explained line by line. No fake productivity, no copy paste tutorials, just real learning. To keep this structured, I follow a simple schedule. Every Monday, Python journey videos. Every Saturday, AI projects. Two different tracks. One goal, real skill development. I will use AI openly, but I'll also show when not to use it and how to verify its output. The goal is simple: learn faster without losing intelligence. This channel is for students and self-taught developers who want real skills, not shortcuts. If you're looking for dopamine tutorials, this channel isn't for you. But if you want strong fundamentals and long-term growth, subscribe. This is day 1.